Composition of soil. Soil is made up of soil particles, minerals, air, water, and humus. Bacteria, fungi, earthworm, and other microorganisms also present in the soil. So most of the parts of the soil are made up of water, air, and mineral, and a less portion is made up of organic matter, that is humus. Bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. These are the living animals which present in the soil and makes the soil fertile by decomposing dead materials or dead remains of plants and animals. So bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms plays a very important role to make the soil healthy and also fertile. So these are the pictures you can see. These are the funny images of the bacteria and fungi that present in the soil which decompose the dead remains of plants in the soil and enrich the soil by returning nutrient back to the soil. So when you throw the peels of banana or peels of any vegetables on the soil, after a few days you can see this one mixed with the soil and become very black and mixed with the soil. So which mix them with the soil? The bacteria and fungi which help to make decompose and mix it with the soil. That means by decomposing this one, they enrich the soil. Not only that, some nitrification bacteria also there which enrich the soil by getting nitrogen from the air. And nitrogen is very important for the growth of the plant. Next, earthworm. Earthworm is called farmer friend. Earthworm plays a very vital role for making the soil fertile. Earthworm loosen the soil particle as they move up and down through it. This helps to aerate the soil and provide oxygen for the roots of the plants to breathe. They recycle the nutrients in the soil and their excreta enrich the soil. So when they move up and down, the air through the opening of the soil get inside and oxygen also enrich the root. So by getting oxygen, root can breathe and grow properly. Not only oxygen, it also helps to mix nitrogen into the soil. They recycle the nutrients into soil and their excreta enrich the soil. So when they recycle the nutrients in the soil, what is the meaning of that? So whenever earthworm move through the soil, they eat waste material and their urine and stool enrich the soil, which is nutrient rich and makes the soil fertile. For this, earthworm is called farmer's friend. The process of making manure by using earthworm and organic wastes like vegetables, leftover food, husks, weeds, rotten vegetables, rotten parts of vegetables, stalks are known as vermicomposting. It provides nutrients to the soil and increase the fertility of the soil. So farmers use some special types of species of earthworm for making manure, which is rich in nutrients. They usually make a pit on the soil where they dump waste material like kitchen wastes, stalks, weeds, and also earthworms, and cover this one with the soil. After a few days, the leftover wastes or the organic waste change into black soil, which is rich in nutrients, and this is good for plants growth. Now vermicompost soil also available in the market in packets, which are good for plant. This black soil, which consists of earthworm, and this one is very good for the plants. Nowadays the farmers used to like such type of manures for the plants instead of chemical fertilizers, which cause pollution. You know that chemical fertilizers cause pollution, and if such fertilizers are used for long time, it also decrease the health of the soil. But if vermicompost is used in the field, it is also good for health of the plants, or and also good for the soil. That means it increase the soil health. There is one video I am showing you where you can see and understand how does earthworm make the soil fertile when it moves through the soil. Let's start the video. Sorry, from the first you see. Here you can see the front part of the earthworm making holes into the soil through which it is moving, and when it is moving through the, it loosens the soil, increase the amount of air or water in the soil, improving the availability of nutrients. Lots of earthworm are a good sign for the soil. It means the soil is healthy. There are about 3000 species of earthworm globally, but probably many more can be hidden in the soil. You can also help protect the soil biodiversity by using such type of farming, or by making such type of farming. So student, I think you like my video and it will help you. Next day we'll learn more about formation of soil, and layers of soil, and kinds of different soil. Thank you.